So where's the...
All right, this is the Fairfield Inn in Tucumcari, New Mexico.
That's the Flying... Wait a minute. There's Love's across from Flying J. You see that?
Isn't that like...
Oh my God, there's a Denny's.
Dueling gas stations?
Yeah.
Dueling gas stations. This looks nice.
Yeah.
Missouri. I used to live in Missouri.
Oh, really?
I did for a little while. All right, they have a fitness center. I don't know where the... Oh, let's go over here and see if the pool's right here. There is the pool. It's open till 11. That's nice. I actually remembered our swimsuit this time. We might actually go swimming if we have nothing else to do. And then it was free breakfast from like 6 to 9. So, we were on 4, right? 4, so yeah, I was talking to the lady working, and she's talking about like a lot of people like to stay at the Aurora motels for Route 66, but she agrees with me. She likes the newer amenities. I can appreciate those hotels from the outside.
We haven't had to look at them.
No.
That's unfortunate.
We did that. When we first started traveling, we did like the smaller mom and pop stuff, and then too many problems. At least if you stay at a chain and you have real issues, someone will actually resolve them in a timely manner. 408.
Yep.
So, just one suitcase. I'm the expert packer now. Plus, we have points, so of course we want to stay here for free. Oh my God, this is nice. This is really nice. Look at this, Robert. We got a little sitting area. Oh, they got some little Route 66 sign. 2 TVs.
2.
I don't know why you need 2 in such a small room. Definitely would have dueling TVs. So we have a view of the RV park. Not bad. I don't have a problem with that. This is nice. I was a little... Listen, if anyone's on Route 66 and they want to stay at those vintage motels, more power to you. There's nothing wrong with that. Lots of people love them. I need my modern. Nice. Woodrunner. What's it called? Not a Woodrunner. Roadrunner. I hope I see one of those in the wild. That would be cool. Very nice. I'm gonna put some shorts on, and then we are gonna go to the dinosaur museum. $5. This was $2.99 at the gas station. All right, we dropped our stuff off in the hotel room. I have a separate room. Oh no, dueling doors always stresses me out. A very nice room. But we want to go to the dinosaur museum. It closes at 4, and it's like 1:40 now?
Yeah.
Almost 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. I'm definitely having a Clark Griswold moment right here. And it didn't work out. No dinosaur museum for us. All right, we're gonna go have our free breakfast. It's a little later, it's 8 o'clock. We'll have to say that room was amazing. No loud noises, no footsteps waking us up. The walls must be built very nice. Wasn't that a good sleep last night, Robert?
Yeah, it was quiet.
So, yeah. Definitely would recommend this hotel. No issues so far. Except for a slow out. Usually the elevators are quicker than this.
A lot of people know that.
Yeah, the parking lot was full. So, I mean, this is mainly the only big hotel in this town. The rest are small
It's off the interstate.
motels. This is right next to like 2 major gas stations, truck stops. So it's a good location. We were gonna walk to one of the gas stations last night, but we didn't. We got tired. Oh, there's the elevator. All right, what do we got? Eggs, omelets and scrambled eggs. That's good. Oh, potatoes, my favorite. All right, I know what I'm getting. And then over here we got juice. All this stuff you could possibly need for oatmeal. Okay, I have not seen this before. This is pretty cool. They even got pumpkin seeds. Okay, I like that. And then cereals, milk and yogurt, Star Wars milk, and let's see, got bagels, the bread. No Danishes, just little muffins. Apples, no bananas, but they got peanut butter if you need some peanut butter. This is all free. All right, my breakfast. Oh, Robert didn't get the sausage. It's not a lot. We're not big breakfast eaters. When we do eat breakfast, it's usually for dinner. We both, like, he'll have an energy drink and I'll have, like, a yogurt sometimes or chocolate. I know I'm terrible. So neither of us really eat breakfast, but you know what? It's free. I always get apple juice. He loves orange juice. I'll drink orange juice. It's not my favorite. But I'm so happy. I love home-style potatoes. We are leaving our hotel. It's 9 o'clock. I know it's a little late, but it's not that late. This parking lot was completely full last night. Those are the 2 gas stations I was talking about. Lots of semis taking a rest over there. So, yeah, very happy with this hotel.